Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Kausar Kiran from Sadr Business School, University of Southern Punjab, Multan. Students, in the first part of this lecture, we discuss what is money, what is function of money, what is inflation, and what is causes and effects of inflation on economy. Here in this lecture, we discuss what is functions of commercial banks. When we start the main topic, first we discuss here what is the definition of commercial bank. A commercial bank is a financial institute that accepts deposits from the public and grants loans for the purpose of making profits. Functions of commercial banks and credit creation. Commercial banks are financial institutes that accept deposits from the public and use these funds to grant loans and make investment with the goal of earning a profit. Functions: accepting deposits. Here we discuss the functions of commercial bank. The first point is accepting deposits. They offer various types of accounts, current, saving, fixed deposit to mobilize saving from the public. The second point is advancing loans. They provide loans and advances in various forms such as cash credit, demand loans, overdraft facilities and term loans to individuals and businesses for productive purposes. The third point is credit creation. Credit creation is a most significant function. Commercial banks create new deposits money when they grant loans. The next point is agency and utility services. They offer services like funds transfers, check clearing, foreign exchange, safe deposits lockers, and acting as treasuries or acceptors. What is the credit creation? Commercial banks operate on a frictional serve banking system where they keep only a fraction of deposits as serves and lend out the remainder. The process: a customer deposits cash into their account means primary deposit. The bank keeps a required reserve. For example, the reserve is 10% and lends to the surplus amount to another borrower. The loan amount is credited to the borrower's deposit account, creating a new deposit. Derivative deposits. The new deposits becomes the basics for further lending by the bank or other bank when the money is spent and redeposited elsewhere in the banking system. The process continues through multiple rounds. Accepting the initial money supply by a multiple determinant by the money multiplier, which is the reciprocal of the reserve ratio. Thus, commercial banks are significant creators of the money supply in the modern economy. What is the purpose of credit creation, or what is the process of credit creation? Suppose a customer deposits 10,000 in a bank. The bank keeps 10% means 1000 as reserve and lends out 9,000. The borrower spends 9,000 which is then deposited in another bank. That bank again keep 10% which is 900 as reserve and lends to out 10 8,100 rupees. This process continues leading to multiple credit creation. The formula of credit multiplier reserve ratio means CRR. C for credit, and R for reserve ratio. 1 over cash reserve ratio CRR. If CRR is equal to 10%, multiplier 1 over 0.10, that is equal to 10. Hence, 10,000 can create total deposit up to 10,000 in the bank system. That is amount 1 lakh which is in the bank system. So, what is the summary of this credit creation? Money, banking and finance form the foundation of a modern economy. Money acts as a lifeblood of economic transaction. The bank system channels saving into investment, means they create savings into investment. Proper monetary control and inflation management are essential for economic stability and growth. Here we quickly recap. Before we begin our next topic, let's quickly recap what we study in the above. We will help us connect it with this lecture, which is money, banking and finance, and what is the nature of function of money and what is the effect. What is the role of money? The role of commercial banks in economic development of Pakistan. Functions of central bank, monetary policy and role of central bank in the economy development of Pakistan. Here briefly we discuss of money and capital marketing. Understanding the banking system is essential because banks are the financial backbone of any economy. They mobilize savings, promote investment and ensure smooth financial operation. Let's begin by understanding the role of commercial banks in Pakistan's economy. A commercial bank is a financial institute that accepts deposits from the public and gives loans to its client for the purpose of consumption and investment to make a profit. Role of commercial banks in economic development of Pakistan. Commercial bank plays a crucial role in Pakistan economic growth. They act as financial instruments or financial institute. Central bank or state bank, also called financial institute, between servers and investors, ensuring that idle funds and use productivity. They provide credit to agriculture, industry and trade sector, help promote entrepreneur through financing small and medium enterprises, that is called SMEs, facilitate imports and export by providing trade financing, encouraging saving habits among the public, support government projects and public development programs. Hence, commercial banks not only manage money but also drive industrialization, employment and overall development. What is the function of Central Bank and State Bank of Pakistan? The Central Bank or State Bank of Pakistan functions are same. The central bank known as the State Bank of Pakistan, that is SBP, performs several key functions. Issues currency. It has the sole authority to issue currency notes, ensuring control over the money supply. Second is banker to the government. It maintains accounts and manage public debt for the government. Second is bankers bank. It regulates and supervises commercial banks. The next is control to credit. It uses monetary policy tools like the bank rate, open market operation and reserve ratio. In the above lecture, we calculate the reserve ratio. Hopefully, you understand the concept of reserve ratio, stabilizing the value of money. And the next point is monetary policy. Monetary policy is very important for economic stability of controlling inflation and deflation. The role of central bank in the economic development. The monetary policy of Pakistan aims to maintain economic stability, control inflation, ensure credit availability of productive sector. The state bank promotes development by providing loans to the sectors like which sector like agriculture and small industry, controlling inflation through monetary policy, encouraging investment and saving through interest rate adjust, supporting the government in maintaining a stable exchange rate. In shortly, through effective monetary policy, the SBP ensures sustainable growth and balanced economic development. Here briefly we discuss all the function, all the role of monetary policy and what is the commercial bank and what is the commercial bank role and its objective in the development of Pakistan. Here we to conclude both commercial bank and central banks are vital pillars of Pakistan financial system. The channel funds regulate money supply and promote balanced economic growth. The money and capital market further strengthens this system by ensuring financial flow across short and long investment. Together, these institutes form the foundation for Pakistan economic stability and progress. In our next lecture, we will discuss the exploring what is debt and what is the debt is important for any economy or any developed economy or any underdeveloped economy. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.